Hey guys, how's it going? This is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered freak. And welcome to my 9th video. That's right, 9. And my 3rd beer review. Super cool. Now, before I get to that, I gotta talk about something that happened in my last video. Yeah, that's right. My son, my own son, you, cream pied me by surprise. Now I ain't gonna get you, my son, in this video, but I will get you this year. Yeah, that's right. Oh, and don't forget, to all of you fans, we got free prizes coming up, free stickers, all kinds of free shit. It's gonna be great, but to do that, you have to like my video, you have to subscribe to my channel if you want your free stuff. Right? Alright, so, here we go. Today, I'm going to review the Iron Maiden Special Edition 666 beer. Oh yeah, baby! That's going to be great. So, how can we taste test this without listening to some Iron Maiden? I don't know. That's what we're going to put some right now. My mind was blank. What better song than The Number of the Beast? 666! Now, just like the Trooper beer from Iron Maiden, this was made by Robinson's Brewery. It's a limited edition, as you can see. It's got an amazing 6.66% alcohol per volume, which means it's going to be pretty damn strong. It's premium British beer. Very hard to get where I live, but your pal got it for you. I'm gonna taste it for you. Alright, so here we go. As usual, we got the special Book of Souls Eddie cap. We're gonna keep this again. So my second one, we're gonna keep it for the collection. Woo. That's gonna be good, man. And obviously I'm gonna drink it in my special edition Iron Maiden beer glass. Only the freak can get this. If you guys want it, want a special edition Eddie glass, you guys gotta click on my channel, subscribe to my channel, click on my videos for a chance to win, yes, some limited edition four-fingered freak Iron Maiden glass. Woo. Check it out. I know you guys can't smell it, but it smells great. It smells quite strong, actually. It's got a nice color, right? It's pretty good. The beast. Woo! Wow. Tastes quite strong, actually. I'm surprised, man. I mean, I drank beer that was, stronger than this. I drank beer that's 8%, 9%, 10% even. But wow, I'm very impressed with this. Awesome. It's a little bit, bitter aftertaste, but that's to be expected because that's the way the British love their beer. And wow. I like it, but I have to admit, I like the Trooper better. For my taste, yeah, the Iron Maiden Trooper beer was better. This one, like I said, it's got this bitter aftertaste, which I'm not the real fan of. Then again, I can't complain. It's pretty damn good. Costs about $6 where I live because of taxes and all that, Don't get me started on the government. Goes down easy. Let's do some pretty decent birds too, which is always a plus. Definitely a beer for partying, because at 6.66% alcohol, you get drunk faster.
I'm waiting in my cold cell when the bell begins to chime, reflecting on my past life, and it doesn't have much time, 'cause at 5 o'clock they take me to the gallows. Oh, yeah. The sands of time for me are running low.
Baby. All right. Woohoo! We're moving there. Woo. I was kind of lost, you know. Woo. That's awesome. Awesome beer. Iron Maiden, 6.66. Go out there, buy it. You gotta have a lot of fun. It's gonna be a blast, man. So, don't forget, you want your free stickers, your free Iron Maiden glass, free stuff from the fabulous Four-Fingered Freak. You gotta like my videos, subscribe to my channel, talk to your friends about it at school, at work, wherever. I don't care. I need more subscribers if you guys want your free stuff. So, for the moment, I am the fabulous Four-Fingered Freak, saying, see ya, baby! Ha ha!